Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure the Canon 2318 is powered off but plugged in, and you have a paperclip or pin. Once ready, press and hold the resume/cancel button while powering on to enter service-like mode. This initiates the reset path. You do this because the printer needs a specific hardware trigger to access internal counters. Make sure to note network credentials now, since resetting will clear them, and you will need to re-enter them afterward. Once in service mode, use the control panel buttons to navigate to maintenance or EEPROM reset. You press the indicated sequence slowly so the firmware registers each input. Why this matters? The EEPROM holds counters and calibration data that cause error locks, and clearing them returns settings to defaults. Make sure to choose the correct reset option for ink or page counters and confirm each prompt. If a USB or PC utility is required, connect and run the tool only after the printer shows ready. Complete the process by powering the Canon 2318 off and on to finalize changes, then re-enter network settings and custom preferences you noted earlier. Next, run a test print and alignment to verify sensors and ink counters recalibrated correctly. This confirms success. If errors persist, note the displayed error code and repeat the factory or EEPROM reset. Sometimes a second pass clears latent flags. For stubborn faults, a guided service tool or Canon support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.